Fantasy versus reality. The reality of the situation is this. If you are caught short, if you are out camping, if you do get stuck in the wilderness after a zombie attack, you're going to have to do your own laundry. There is a big difference between aesthetical cleanliness and hygienic cleanliness. Now, you can take your sock from the washing machine and your sock from your hand washing. Now, aesthetically, they look different. But in any other measurable way, they are the same. They both smell the same. They are both hygienically the same. They are both clean hygienically. They don't smell any different. The only difference is this one's been used in a machine to get washed with lots of chemicals and electric. This one was washed by hand. They're both clean. This is something you've got to try to accept if you're going to be off-grid, if you're going to be somewhere camping for a few weeks. If it's outer clothing, a pair of jeans, jumper, jacket, you don't have to wash them. Generally, it's not so bad. The main things you've got to worry about washing are things that are in contact with your skin. So, your socks, underwear, t-shirts, vest, etc. If you don't have a machine, you're going to end up with grey. It's that simple. It's still clean. It's just not aesthetically clean. It's where you get the fantasy, which you guess on YouTube. YouTube, everything's perfectly clean. Everything is wonderful. Then you have the reality.